back to my channel, and we are here at Hitapi because we're going to Cebu. So this is the Hitapi port. It's really good, big improvement. And I will show you the other side. This is the covered pathway going to the boat, and there's some restaurant. There's a boat in there, two boats. No, not two boats, there are more over there. I'm not sure what that is. Dad? No? What's that? Look at this. Dad, what do you call this, Dad? Dinghy? And that is the Climber one. Climber one is going to, I'm not sure. Sunriser. So this Climber, they are loading the passenger. I think this is going to the pair one. Then I think this one is going to pair one. I know. Nay, para asa? Para asa ne? So this is going to pair one. And unfortunately, we're not taking the Climber because we will try the Ocean Jet, which is over there. The Ocean Jet is coming right there, I think. Maybe. Climber. The owner of the Climber is from the little island there. What? The owner of the Climber boats are from the island. Handayan. Handayan. No, it's not bus crab, it's a boat. Maybe. Sunriser. Sunriser is going to Cordova because the owner is from Cordova. Where did they get the big stones there? And they look like kind of brown. guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.